My name is Pan and I'm 23 this year. So I've been bartending in Nutmeg Clove for 2 years now. And about Nutmeg Clove is that our concept, our story is based on Singapore's history. So our current menu, it's a collaboration between the Singapore Museum and us. Yeah, it's on a book called the William Farquhar, The Natural History Drawing. My signature drink, it's called the Oh My Jasmine. So basically, it's made with whiskey, jasmine syrup, homemade jasmine syrup, fresh lemon juice, green tea liqueur, and then topped with salted jasmine foam. So it's a twist of the Scotch sour, but then with additional, with jasmine as the main ingredient. So you get a little bit of savoury, sour, and actually a lot of umami actually altogether. Yeah. Okay. So whiskey. Do 45 ml, and then jasmine syrup 15, lemon juice 15 as well, and then green tea liqueur just 5. Ice. And then salted jasmine foam. It's made with dehydrated jasmine flower and jasmine tea leaves. And then matcha.